Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is PerfectForex, and today guys we'll be doing a quick rundown of some of the commodities on the synthetic indices market. But before we get on to what we are about looking into today, if this is the first time you are coming across my YouTube channel, I would like you to click on the subscribe button and also do well to turn on the notification bell. So whenever I post new content like this, you will be among the first people to be notified. And also do well to share my content with your friends, your family, with those around you that you know are interested in trading the forex and synthetic indices market. Be able to share my content with them. Let them know that there's value on here. Let them know that there's value on here. And also, guys, you can help this video get to as many people as possible by just liking the video and also by just dropping a comment, just interacting with this video, whichever way you can help this video get to as many people as possible. Okay, guys, quickly, without any further ado, let me get on to what I have. Just some couple of days back, we analyzed some of these commodities, crash 500, crash 1000, boom 500, boom 1000, and particularly boom 500. I speculated that I'll be looking at boom 500 going long. That I'll be looking at boom 500 going long from this zone. But unfortunately, price began to react at this zone. There was a reaction from here. It was on the it was on the 1 hour time frame. Go down to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, on the 1 hour time frame, in that period, price was at this zone. This was the zone I marked. Yes. And I speculated that price was going to go long from this zone. As you can see, price did go long for some couple of hours. This was the move, some couple of hours, but they rejected to the downside, to tap us out. Although that period we didn't take the trade, I did personally take the trade because where I placed my buy limit, price didn't feel it, price didn't tap me in, so I couldn't take the trade. If you've not seen the video, you can go back to the previous videos I've dropped, the last 2 videos I've dropped, and watch those videos for you to get a full understanding of how I analyzed the 500 index. And also after some confirmations, after spiking to this upside, that is price literally pushing from this zone, this upside, I speculated that based on the new confirmation price is giving us, I think this was it, yes. Based on the confirmation price was giving us at that period, that our bias, my bias personally, might be changing. My bias might be changing. And that price was about to go short. That price, yes, this was it. Price was about to go short, seeing that it has been tested this trend line 1 time, 2nd time, and then the 3rd time. And then after price came to this downside, spiked up here, I entered for a sell. I literally entered for a sell on this particular move, and price was just ranging. It was ranging. You can see price was just ranging at this zone. I will be in profit to go back, and then eventually price tapped me out. And I was tapped out. I was tapped out in loss, just a very, very minute loss. I think about, I can't remember now, but I think about $4 or so, $5, $4 or so, because I risked extremely low on this particular trade. I was risking extremely low to capping extremely high, huge profit. But as the market would have it, price reversed, tapped me out, and continued to the upside, continued bullish for some couple of days. I think this is about, let me measure it from this zone. Yeah, I think for a day plus, price was very, very bullish for a day plus, and then there was a bearish reversal to the downside, as you can see how the market has played out. And right now, my first bias, the one I dropped 2 videos before this, is already playing out. When I speculated that I'll be looking at boom 500 buying to the upside. As you can see, guys, boom 500 at the moment is bullish. Boom 500 at the moment is bullish, and you might be seeing a bullish continuation. If this zone does not hold, as I marked out, if this zone does not hold, then we might be seeing a bullish continuation to this side. And if this zone does not hold also, then we might be seeing a full mitigation of all this bearish move that boom 500 has been making. We might be seeing a full mitigation of all these bearish moves boom 500 has been making. So we're looking at boom 500 buying to this upside, So if this zone does not hold, this particular zone, if it does not hold, then for the next couple of days, for the next couple of weeks, thereabouts, boom, 500 will be extremely bullish. So if you want to trade from 500, just watch out for buying opportunities if this particular zone does not hold. Okay, guys, so that's that about from 500. Also, crash 500 index. I think, yes, in my previous video, I told you guys how I was able to tap into this move from this level. Yeah, from this level. I entered this move from this level, rode the market up to this point, and I began to see some bearish reversal. I closed out. As you can see, I tried re-entering. I think I will drop that on my free Telegram group. How I tried re-entering this move from this zone, from this particular zone, basically on the 30 minutes time frame. I tried re-entry from this zone, but as you can see, price didn't tap me. My entry was there and my stop loss was just below this zone. And price didn't tap me in. You can see right now, price has done a very, very massive move to the upside. That's about 350 pips thereabout. 350 pips thereabout. But the overall move I was intending to catch to ride to the upside was about the zone 460 pips thereabout. But right now, as you can see, price has done approximately 420 pips. 420 pips. As you can see, guys, that's that on Crash 500. Though presently, I'll be looking at Crash 500 buying into this zone. Let's go to the H4. I'll be looking at Crash 500 buying into this zone, and then I'll watch out for its reaction. I'll watch out for its reaction. Because you might be seeing a bearish reversal from this zone. Okay, I think that is why price is actually reacting. Okay. You might still see some bullish reversal into this zone to mitigate this full base, to mitigate this base fully and then continue a short to the downside. But before then, let's just keep our fingers crossed and watch out for what boom Crash 500 will be doing. Right now, it is looking as though it is about reversing to the downside. But I see my full confirmation for a sale. I won't be taking any entries. I won't be taking any entries. Okay, guys, I think this is already a full confirmation for a sale. Let me see. Let me go to the lower time frame. This 15 minutes. So let's see. Let's look at possible reversal zone. Okay, guys. So I'll be looking to short. I'll be looking to short Cash 500 from either of these zones. That price drops from this zone or price drops from this zone. But I'm looking. I'll be looking to enter from this zone particularly because I can see an equal high somewhere around there. You go down to the 15 minutes time, the lower time frame, whether the 5 minutes time frame, you get to see that this is an equal high, and price might want to come back and mitigate it and clear the liquidity there before continuing to the upside, or to the downside. Sorry about that, to the downside. So we might be looking at let me see Cash 500 buying. Let's see, possibly from this zone. Let's see how it reacts. I drop into this zone, and then react to the upside. And then once price gets to this zone, I'll be looking to short. Let me just place an alert there. Then once price gets to that zone, I will be notified. So guys, this is my bias on Crash 500. It dropped into this zone, and then a bullish move to the upside before the overall bearish drop to the downside. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Show you possible zones you have been watching. Go to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, as you can see, I'll be looking to exit around this region, because if you look closely, you're going to see an imbalance in this zone. An imbalance in this zone. Also, there's an imbalance in this zone. I'll be looking to exit. This will be my first take profit. This will be my first take profit, and this will be my second take profit. This will be my first. Okay, this will be my first take profit, this zone. And then this will be my second take profit once I see all the bearish confirmation to go short. So guys, that's that about Crash 500. Let's look at Crash 1000 index. I think some couple of days back also I speculated that I think I called this trade. Yes, I called this trade from this zone this week. Rode to this upside, closed out, price dropped, and right now as you can see another bullish confirmation, bullish continuation. I might be seeing Crash 1000 continue its bullish move to the upside. But right now, if you look closely on the daily time frame, you get to see that Crash 1000 is moving sideways. It is moving sideways. It is ranging at the moment. And for we to know where price will be heading in a very, very full momentum, or for us to see an overall change in trend or continuation in trend, this zone must be broken. This zone must be broken. Once this rectangular box is broken by price, and then to the upside, either to the upside, and then we see possible retest of a zone, a point of interest, a good point of interest, then price might be continuing bullish. But then if price breaks to the downside, breaks this zone to the downside, then we might be seeing a continuous bearish move. We might be seeing a continuous bearish move. I think this is also forming a pattern. This is also forming a pattern. I think this is forming a wedge at the moment. And most times, once you see wedges like this in the market, on a trend, it is actually signifying a continuation of that trend. But it does not always play out like that. It does not always play out like that. At times it breaks out to the upside, it tests the trend line and continues to the upside, or it just continues bearish to the downside. But most importantly, we're going to look at how price reacts, whether to the upside or to the downside, before we conclude and place our trade. So that's that about Crash 1000 index. From 1000 index, I think also I speculated that I'll be seeing an overall drop to the downside. As you can see, price has smashed my take profit one. Yeah, price smashed take profit one and almost smashed take profit two. Yeah, take profit one was somewhere around here. Take profit one was here. If you've not seen the video I dropped as regards this, you can go back to it. And take profit two was around there. And as you can see, price almost smashed it. But right now it continued bullish to the upside, and there's a reversal at this moment. At the moment, which might continue. Yes, it might continue to the downside, and then eventually smash the profit too. But let's go down to the lower time frame to see what price is doing, so we can know have a clear entry or a clear speculation of what price is doing. So guys, so as you can see, price is reacting from this other block right here, this other block right here, and it is continuing bearish. We go to the 1 hour time frame to see. Okay, I think okay, let me see this clearly. I might still be looking at, yes, might still be looking at boom 1000 spike to this upside. We want to see it fill the zone. We want to see it fill the zone before we continue bearish. So this is not a confirmation for me to get this market, but we want to see boom 1000 spike into this zone, and then I'll be looking to take a trade. Okay, I think that's that about boom 1000 index. Okay, Let me see. I think, yeah, okay, this is it. Also, some couple of days back, I analyzed this market, gave a crazy detailed analysis about VIX 10, just VIX 10, not one S, VIX 10. And I speculated that price was going to drop. I think when I was analyzing this market, price was at this zone. Yes, price was at this zone. Price was at this zone, and all this hasn't played out. All this move, all these candles we are seeing hadn't played out. The time I analyzed, placed my pending order just around this zone. Placed my pending order just around this zone. A very, very tight stop loss. Not around this zone. A very, very tight stop loss around 10 pips thereabouts. And I allowed the market to play out. I'll be dropping the screenshot in my full Telegram group for you guys to see. I allowed the market to play out, and as you can see, the market played around, tapped into my zone, and there was a crazy bullish run, breaking my take profit. If I place my take profit somewhere around here, yes, I think somewhere around here, as you can see, even before price played out, did tap me in, smash my take profit, and right now, as you can see, B10 is still very, very much bullish to the upside, very, very much bullish. Okay, guys, that's that about that. Let's quickly look at VIX 75. Let's see what we think. I think the 75 is still very, very much bullish at the moment. Very, very much bullish based on this triple bottom we are seeing here. You can see if you go down to the lower time frame, you get to see that this is a triple bottom. You can see, yes, it's first bottom, second, and third. As you can see, this third bottom caused a rally up to the upside, a push to the upside, causing V75 to buy. See V75 to buy. Right now, we might not be seeing any bearish trend on V75 as it is still very, very much bullish. Very, very, very much bullish. So we shouldn't be expecting any bearish reversal at the moment or anytime soon. So that's that about the analysis for today. Also, I think I placed a trade. Let me see. Yes, I placed a trade on this VIX 10, and this is my entry. Just risking about let me see, about -$4 to tap in close to around $115. Basically, guys, you know I'm not a scalper, I'm a swing trader, and this is what I do. So, guys, I'm hoping price taps me in and hopefully does not take me out, because I have carefully analyzed this market, looking at price buying to this zone and then dropping to the downside. And once it taps me in and it begins to drop, I'll drop the update either in the next video if it tapped me in and eventually hit my stop loss, or tapped me in and continued bearish to the downside. I'll be updating you guys in the next video. So that's that about the video today. I don't want this video to be too lengthy, even though it is very, very lengthy at the moment, for to be able to digest some of the things I've said, some of the valuable content I've spoken about. I will be ending the video here. So that's that about that, guys. Thank you very much for staying to the very end. Thank you very, very much for staying to the very end. As you can see, step index is still very, very much bullish. So don't look out for any bearish move at the moment, except you are a scalper trading on the lower time frame, scalping just few pips, few candles, and then you're out of the market. But then I won't advise that you trade against the trend. I never will advise you trade against the trend. So guys, that's that about the analysis for today. This is Perfect Forex, your friend, your brother, your favorite trader. Do have a great day, and God bless you.